Exercise 5.2, problem 6, progressions. Check whether minus 150 is a term of AP 11, 8, 5, 2. ఈ సిరీస్ లో మైనస్ 150 అనే టర్మ్ ఉంటుందా ఉండదా? ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 2, 4, 6, 8 so on. ఈ సిరీస్ లో 12 ఉంటుందా? yes ఉంటుంది. సో నెక్స్ట్ టర్మ్ వాట్ 10, 12. In the same series 11 is there. 11 ఉంటుంది ఈ సిరీస్ లో. So it is not possible. Okay. So now we will check that one. Okay. See now what is the given series? Given series is 11, 8, 5, 2 so on. Here what is the first term? A1 equals to 11, A2 equals to 8, A3 equals to 5. Okay. Next A4 equals to 2. Let us say AN. So minus 150 is last term. Let equals to minus 150 let. Okay. So first find common difference. D equals to A2 minus A1. So what is the value of A2? 8 minus A1 is 11. Yes. So minus 3. 8 minus 11 is minus 3. So what is AN formula? AN value? AN equals to minus 150. AN equals to minus 150. What is the formula of AN? A plus n minus 1 into D equals to minus 150. Okay. The value of A1 is 11 plus n minus 1. I don't know the value of n. N minus 1 into D value how much? Minus 3 equals to minus 150. Okay. So n minus 1 times minus 3 equals to minus 150. 11 transpose to right side minus 11. So n times of 3 is minus 3n. Minus of minus is plus 3 equals to minus 150 minus 7. So minus 161. So minus 3n equals to minus 161. This one transpose to right side minus 3. So minus 164. So 3n minus 3n equals to minus 164. Negative negative get cancel. So 3n equals to 164. So n equals to 164 by 3. So 3 is the 164 is not divisible by 3. So this is not a natural number. So మనం ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్, సెకండ్ టర్మ్, థర్డ్ టర్మ్, ఫోర్త్ టర్మ్ చెప్తాం కానీ మనకి -2 5/2 టర్మ్, 6/8 టర్మ్ ఇట్లా చెప్పాం కదా. సో n equal to 164 by 3 is not possible in which term? So this is not a natural number. Not equals to natural number. This is a rational number. So n equals to 164 by 3 అనే టర్మ్ పాసిబుల్ అవుతుంది. సో పాసిబుల్ అవ్వదు కాబట్టి therefore minus 150 is not a term in the given series.